you are not looking at that wrong. That is snow. It is snowing in California. Oh, what it do, everybody? We are here. This is Lancaster. There is snow. I am freezing. What it do?
What it do?
It's cold.
It's nice and cold, playing in the snow.
Why'd you bring me out here?
Now.
This is why I've been like stuck at home, working from home.
Yeah.
Crazy, huh? Look, people are sledding way over there. Look.
I know.
You see them? Dude, you could totally see the people sledding. Come on, somebody go downhill. Nobody's going downhill. Right there, right there. Push him. Push him. Push him. There he goes. Can we do that? Geez, I don't even go on Guardians.
We didn't bring a sled. There's a tire right there. You want to use a tire?
Let's use the tire. Oh, man. You satisfied now?
I am. I had fun. Play with the snowman, play with our Funkos.
Yeah, I brought
some snowballs.
What did I bring? I brought him.
Yeah.
What did I bring?
We did a photo shoot.
I brought his homie, Mr. One-Eyed Monster. He's a one-eyed monster. And of course, where's the other one? You bring snacks too. It's lemon. I swear to God, it's lemon. Are you satisfied?
I am.
That's enough for you? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Go. Do it again. I won't flinch this time.